Beverly Hills.
101 Los Angeles free එක අපි දැන් ඉන්නේ. අපි යන්නේ Beverly Hills California පැත්තට. What do you feel now?
I feel
Like what?
if I can go fast.
What's your dream car? Lamborghini or Porsche?
My cousin's car. He has a
No,
Lambo.
your dream car.
Yeah, no, it's my cousin's car. He has my dream car. It's a Lambo.
What's your dream car?
It's a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider.
Wow. Me too. Yeah, me too.
In candy red.
Candy red. Wow, I
And
like black.
That's or black or gray.
Wow.
Yeah. My cousin has that in yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. So. But yeah, hopefully one day.
Of course you can. Oh, it look nice.
No, moron!
Yeah, it's not like.
Moron!
2 kilo.
Good. In a sense. Can I let me close the door? Good for what?
For the video, this is where are you right now exactly?
Yeah. Our location. 980 feet above sea level.
Two ladies. Let's go, lady. Poor grandma. You're gonna beat the grandma. You call him grandma. Huh? You think he's gonna get mad, no? Huh?
Who?
Grandma.
Get mad at what?
You call him grandma, no? Huh?
Yeah. What you gonna do?
My brake.
Slow down, douche. Open your window so the cops. Car show every other week.
Every other week, yeah. Shit, that scared me. Good. I'm getting better.
You okay? Getting more scared now?
No, I'm getting better.
Gotta get. Sounds better though.
Oh, yeah.
See, I like it because I can turn it off. I can make it quiet.
Really?
I can make it so see louder. No, quiet.
Oh. You don't need to stop. You're careful.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Traffic, huh?
Traffic not for us.
So we're on our way to Beverly Hills.
Yep.
Beverly Hills Auto Show.
It's a killer Jimmy.
Back in business. It's been closed for almost 2 years.
Yeah. After COVID, huh?
COVID.
It's the first one or second one?
Scamdemic.
Scandemic.
I think it's the first one. I haven't seen the advertisement for till this week.
Good.
So when it's the first one, it should be good because everybody's
Getting back,
itching.
yeah.
They want to show their cars. They want to go do something. They want to have.
Yeah. We are near Beverly Hills Supercar Sunday, Beverly Hills, California.
It's a nice AMG SUV, man.
This is AMG? It's a nice? I don't think it's nice. It look ugly.
You don't like it?
It look ugly. AMG SUV.
You think it's ugly?
For me, yes.
The SUV?
This is only this car I love right now.
I think I'm gonna get. Have you seen front window tint?
Yeah.
Not dark.
Yeah, that's
but
good.
just
Look cool.
enough to where the police don't notice it.
Yeah.
But it makes a big difference. It makes the car look better too. From
Yeah.
the outside.
101 Los Angeles free අපි දැන් ඉන්නේ. අපි යන්නේ Beverly Hills, California පැත්තට. This is 101. You like bike?
I do like bikes.
Really?
I have a bike in Greece.
Not here, huh?
I have a GSXR 750.
Wow.
But
$640 horsepower right now, huh? Cool.
I gotta get I found out that they have a new program for the ECU for the computer. And I've already upgraded it once, but they, as time progresses, they get, the technology gets better.
Yeah.
And now they have new programs for this car, and now they have a better tune. So we'll remove the old tune and replace it with the new tune, but it's like fourth exhaust. You just feel like the car can breathe better.
Yeah.
Like the car, you can tell it takes more air in it. Whoopa. See the holes in the mirror?
Yeah.
They suck in air,
Wow.
and they go through the tube and they go into the engine, but it's restricted. It can only go this much inside. But if you remove that and you have an open air filter,
You can exit right here.
it's here. Should I get off here?
Yeah. This side. Poor Tesla baby.
It reminds me more of my race car. It started to
Yeah.
the sound.
Yeah. I feel something. what you need. Sound.
See, this is the kind of fun you can't have in the Mercedes.
Mercedes, yeah.
The Mercedes is fast.
Fuck.
Don't get me wrong, it's very fast.
Yeah.
Maybe even faster in a straight line than this car. But you can't, you know.
Bentley.
Yeah.
That's not race car, huh? It's a race car, but not race car.
That one, yeah. The problem with Bentleys is they're extremely expensive,
Uh-huh.
but they don't hold their value.
Yeah, I know. Go down. Bentley was Porsche. Let's go,
I drove
motherfucker.
one of those in Greece.
Let's go, motherfucker. There's Bentley.
The Bentley disappeared, man. Better with the exhaust, yeah.
Yeah.
I have to start doing the upgrades to the Mercedes too.
Oh, wow.
That after I do the upgrades, that'll scare the shit out of you.
I don't want super gas, ne?
Yeah, 100.
What they call 100 octane.
101 octane.
101 octane. One. How much one gallon? $10, huh?
$10 a
$10 per gallon. Gallon $10. Car show kita nak wangi ni. Killer Jimmy, ya.
Killer King Jimmy. Make it quiet.
Yeah.
See, a lot of supercars you can't, when you're driving, you can't talk. It's too loud.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why I got this exhaust because
Oh, because of the sound, huh?
when you open it up, it sounds loud and good, and when you want to drive normal and relaxed, it's, you know, just quiet.
Make a U-turn.
Yeah.
You're gonna wash the cars. You're gonna wash the car first. On the car, go then the make a car wash. Make it an out. Holy shit. This is car wash. VIP members. Wow, yeah, VIP, yeah. VIP. Killer Jimmy, VIP. Safety first.
Yes, sir. Lift it up.
Make a electric. They call electric car wash. Oh, detail. Electric car wash. Huh? What they call this one?
I don't know.
Something. Whatever.
Well, it does everything. It cleans the wheels,
Yeah.
it cleans the tires, it cleans the
Polish everything, huh?
overalls, it polishes it, it gives it ceramic coat.
Cool. Make a electric car wash. मैं जिम ते दिन VIP membership है क्या नहीं मेरे ඔක්කොම police වල ඔක්කොම තමයි එළියට යන කාර් එක. මේ දැන් කාර් තුනක් ඇතුලේ තියෙන line එකේ. There are 3 cars inside නේ. I don't trust these motherfuckers. Anyway, any car wash, they don't have attention.
Yeah.
They are music. They fuck you up. They did one time. The maker, मैं आता हूँ balance कर लेने कार का बेटा. नहीं थी मित्र बांधा पूरा अपने कार को देने के लिए. Car wash, मैं थी the best. एक quality से ना मैं wash करना. You have to put neutral. How to put neutral? Just put it like a boss, huh?
Here we go.
Here we go. Rain. Make it rain.
We can make out. We can kiss. No one's gonna see us. Gay for 1 minute.
You know, whatever this we talking right now, when I watch later, I feel like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
So
what the
funny.
fuck? Look gay,
It's very
man.
funny. It's very funny.
See, I don't mind bringing it to this kind of car wash because
Yeah.
the whole car has a
Fiber.
plastic. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
If it didn't have protected, I would only do it hand wash.
Yeah. මේක සුපර් කාර් වොෂ් එකක්. මේක එළියට යනකොට කාර් එක තනිකරම මෙයාලා තියෙන්නේ. කොහොමද ඒක? දැන් ඩවුන් වෙනවා. දැන් අතුලට යන්නේ කාර් එක.
Now here comes the ceramic coating.
කේක මේ ලෙවල් තියෙන. දැන් මේකේ සර්වික් ෆීල් අරකේ ස්පොට් ෆ්‍රී රින්ස් එක.
Spot free is the best.
Yeah.
You still have to
Now it's drying, huh? This is a fan over there. මේක ෆෑන් එක මෙතන. මෙතන ෆෑන් එක තියෙනවා.
titanium.
Yeah.
Magnesium.
The sound, magnesium. Exit dan green light එක
Lighter
වත්තම
than carbon
එකට
fiber.
You wait for green light, huh? Green light. Now we can go. Exit. Shit.
Shit.
This is vacuum. මෙතන vacuum කරගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. You can go to the corner. Oh, it's disabled, huh? No, maybe. Oh no, shit. Tesla.
Who is?
The kids. දැන් මෙතන අපි ඩ්‍රයිව් කර ගන්න පුළුවන් කාර් එක. දැන් වොෂ් කරලා තියෙන සුපිරියටම. දැන් ඩ්‍රයිව් කර ගන්න පුළුවන්, වැකුම් කර ගන්න පුළුවන්. වැකුම් නම් අපි අතින් කරන්න ඕනේ.